Hello guys, this is Naos from Naos Designs channel that I made to explain and offer easy tips and tricks to everyone who's interested in web and graphics design. On today's video we will talk about one of the best free web hosts that offers free hosting and short subdomain to your website. A free hosting that you can use right now to showcase your projects or even to create your own digital portfolio. infinityfree.net provides you with a lot of services that a paid host might offer with high amount of money. They provide 99.99% uptime, no forced ads in your website, and host any domain. Also they provide script installer so you can easily install a CRM like WordPress with just one click instead of installing it manually. Beside that you get free and unlimited cloud, free SSL and a lot more. As you can see here, my own website with infinityfree subdomain above. After testing it for a period of time, I can say everything is perfect about it. Let's jump to action. First you need to sign up with your email and create an account. After that go to your mailbox and activate your account and it will take you automatically to your account. As you can see here, we're going to create a hosting account. To test it I will use a subdomain, however if you have your own domain you can add it in the custom domain box. Once you're right down it will search if it's available or not, then it will take you right to the next checkpoint to check that you're not a robot, and it will provide you with random ID and password. After successfully creating your new hosting account we go to client area to get our password, FTP name, host and other details. Then we go to control panel and wait few seconds till it load. As you can see, we have everything we need from online file manager, SQL databases, site email, SSL certificate and a lot more. Now let's install WordPress within our website from the script app installer with easy steps. First we click on the WordPress logo and have an overview about it. Click installer and set our website details. We chose our protocol for the moment, let's go with the HTTP, set our website name and description. Set WordPress admin account ID and password. Select theme and install. Wait for a few seconds. It will give us two links, one for our website and the other to the WordPress dashboard. Thank you for following this video and I hope it was simple and useful. Down below in description you will find a link to my website and to Infinity Free host server. Please like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.